Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me again, Arnel Cabrera de Guzman. And for today's video, let me share with you an easy way to check your SSS contributions using your mobile devices. Checking your SSS contributions can take less than a minute if you do it through the Text SSS facility. Take note guys, the Text SSS service costs 2 pesos and 50 cents for Globe and Smart subscribers and 2 pesos for Cellular subscribers per text message. To use Text SSS, you need to register first via SMS, so please grab your devices and follow the format that I'll be typing. So let's go to Messages, and then open a new message, and then type in SSS space REG space your 10-digit SSS number space your date of birth, and then send it to 2600. You'll then receive a text message with your 4-digit PIN, which you'll use in all your inquiries using this method. So once registered, you're now ready to check your SSS contributions through text. So just simply key in SSS space CONTRIB space your 10-digit SSS number space your 4-digit PIN and send it to 2600. There you have it, a convenient way to view your posted SSS contributions. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye!